You are lying in bed. The lights are off, your body is heavy, your breathing is slow, and you are right on the edge of sleep. And then, it happens. A sudden violent jolt. Your leg kicks, your whole body flinches, and you are wide awake again, heart slightly racing, staring at the ceiling, wondering what just happened. It is one of the most universal human experiences on the planet. Almost every person alive has felt it, and almost nobody knows what causes it. Some people think they dreamed they were falling, some think their heart skipped, some just assume their body glitched for a second and move on. But the real explanation is stranger and more interesting than any of those guesses, and it goes right to the heart of what your brain is actually doing in those final seconds before you lose consciousness. Welcome to Black Box Tales. Today, we are cracking open the hypnic jerk to find out why your body betrays you at the exact moment you are trying to rest and what it reveals about the ancient machinery running underneath your modern mind. The event has a name. It is called a hypnic jerk, or a hypnagogic jerk, from the Greek word hypnagogos, meaning leading into sleep. It is classified as a myoclonic twitch, which is the same category of involuntary muscle movement as hiccups. Sudden, sharp, impossible to predict, and completely outside your conscious control. For a long time, the hypnic jerk was poorly understood. It seemed random, harmless, and too brief to study properly. But as sleep research advanced and scientists were able to monitor brain activity in real time through the transition from wakefulness to sleep, a much clearer picture emerged. And it turns out the hypnic jerk is not a glitch at all. It is a collision between two systems in your brain that are trying to do opposite things at exactly the same time. Here's what's happening. As you drift towards sleep, your brain begins a carefully managed shutdown sequence. Breathing slows, heart rate drops, muscle tone begins to decrease as your body prepares to enter a state where your muscles need to be temporarily paralyzed, a feature of deep sleep that stops you from physically acting out your dreams. Your brain is powering down system by system in a precise order. But here's the problem. That same brain is also an ancient survival machine that spent millions of years of evolution keeping your ancestors alive in genuinely dangerous environments. And one of its oldest and most deeply wired reflexes is a simple rule. If the body goes limp unexpectedly, something is wrong. You're falling. You're losing consciousness in an unsafe situation. React immediately. As your muscle tone drops during that transition into sleep, part of your brain misreads the signal. The ancient threat detection system sees the sudden relaxation and interprets it not as intentional sleep, but as a loss of physical control. It fires an emergency correction signal through the nervous system, snapping the muscles back to attention. That snap is the jerk, your body literally startling itself awake because one part of your brain did not get the memo that sleep was the plan. There are a few things that make hypnic jerks worse, and understanding them tells you a lot about what's driving them. Sleep deprivation significantly increases their frequency. When you're overtired, your brain moves through the transition into sleep faster and less smoothly, giving that threat detection system less time to stand down gracefully. Caffeine and stimulants keep the alert systems running hotter, making the contrast between wakefulness and the first stage of sleep more abrupt. Stress and anxiety have a similar effect, keeping background arousal levels elevated right up to the moment your body tries to shut them down. Physical exhaustion also plays a role. If your muscles are genuinely fatigued, the drop in muscle tone as you fall asleep is more pronounced and more likely to trigger that false alarm signal in the brain. Athletes and people who have done heavy physical work during the day often report more intense hypnic jerks for exactly this reason. What's remarkable about the hypnic jerk is what it reveals. Underneath the conscious mind that reads and talks and plans, there is an older, faster system that is running its own assessment of your situation every single second. It doesn't know you're in a safe bed in a locked house, it only knows that the body went limp without warning. And for most of the time humans have existed on this earth, that was a very good reason to panic. You're not glitching. You're just modern enough to sleep in safety, but ancient enough that part of your brain hasn't caught up yet. That's the black box, an experience so familiar it became invisible, with millions of years of history hiding just beneath the surface. Hit the like button and subscribe to Black Box Tales for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.